It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. What to do if my dog vomits blood? The technical term for vomiting blood is hematemesis. Depending on where the bleeding originates, episodes may include fresh, bright red blood or partially digested blood that looks more like coffee grounds. Dark, tarry-looking stools may also appear and may be a sign of intestinal bleeding. The blood can come from the stomach, the esophagus, the tube between the mouth and the stomach, or the upper part of the intestine, the part of the intestinal tract connected to the stomach. Also, occasionally, heavy bleeding in the mouth or airways can cause the dog to swallow blood and then vomit it up again. Bleeding can be caused by anything that causes injury, irritation, or inflammation of the lining of these organs. 1. So, what came first? Bleeding or vomiting? Either of the two things is possible. Vomiting can cause irritation of the digestive tract, which in turn causes bleeding. Or, significant bleeding can fill the stomach and cause vomiting. It's also possible that bleeding and vomiting are caused by a single factor, such as certain viral infections. 2. What causes bloody vomiting? Prolonged or intense vomiting from any cause that is not treated. Intestinal parasites, such as Giardia. Viral or bacterial infections. Inflammatory conditions. A blockage in the digestive tract, caused by eating a foreign object, a sock, toy, or an ear of corn, for example, that became trapped in the stomach or intestines. Swallowing something sharp, like a bone or stick. Acute hemorrhagic diarrhea syndrome, a serious condition involving sudden, severe diarrhea and vomiting of blood. Stomach ulcers, which can be caused by digestive conditions, whole-body diseases that increase acid in the stomach, such as kidney disease or liver failure, or as a side effect of certain medications. Toxins. Problems with blood clotting. Traumatic injuries. Cancer. 3. Is it an emergency? Anytime you see blood in your dog's vomit, it is best to seek veterinary attention. Even if it's just a small spot of blood and your dog is well behaved. A little blood now can quickly turn into more blood later, depending on the cause of the bleeding. If any of these circumstances apply to your puppy, emergency treatment should be sought. There is a lot of blood in his vomit, or stool/diarrhea. Severe blood loss can be fatal or require a blood transfusion. Your dog is a puppy. Young puppies are prone to infections, such as parvovirus, which can be serious and worsen quickly, and can be fatal. Your dog is sick and has other symptoms such as fever, apathy, diarrhea, loss of appetite, inability to keep food and water down, etc., in addition to vomiting blood. 4. Can vomiting be prevented with blood? Unfortunately, some causes of vomiting blood develop with age or genetics and cannot be prevented. However, many common causes of vomiting blood can be prevented. That is how. Keep your dog up to date on routine care, including vaccinations and parasite prevention. Avoid access to toxins, especially rat and mouse poisons, non-prescription human and veterinary medications, especially ibuprofen, chemicals, and certain plants or flowers. Feed your dog a healthy, balanced meal and avoid table scraps such as bones. Vomiting blood can be scary. And certain underlying causes are serious, especially if left untreated. Fortunately, seeking immediate veterinary care will help provide the best treatment, prevent complications, and get the pup feeling better as soon as possible. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.